Good day everyone, this is our segment, How to Solve This, in our channel, Review Math Always. This is our discussion number 17. I'm going to explain to you how to solve this 18 raised to x minus 9 raised to x over 9 raised to x equals 1. Ito na nga yung ating solution, 18 raised to x minus 9 raised to x over 9 raised to x equals 1. Ano muna yung ating first step? I-cross multiply muna natin. Cross multiply natin. Ayan. Then, mamumultiply natin yung left side. 18 raised to x minus 9 raised to x times 1. Automatic, ang constant na 1 ay may denominator na 1 pa rin. Kaya magiging sagot sa left side ay 18 raised to x minus 9 raised to x equals, ito naman imumultiply sa 1 times 9 raised to x. Ang sagot pa rin ay 9 raised to x. What is next? As we can see, we have this given. I-divide natin both sides by yung nasa right side value. Ito yung 9 raised to x. Okay, gawin natin. 18 raised to x minus 9 raised to x over 9 raised to x equals 9